Today we're going to take a look at the Seagate expansion 8 terabyte hard drive. After I ordered it, I found out it's SMR. It's like a shingle stacking information. I don't know how that compares to any other external hard drive I've ever had. A couple were network area storage that failed. Won't buy Western Digital because Western Digital put some sort of encryption on the motherboard that writes it to the disk. So if the motherboard failed, like in my case, my Western Digital Studio Book World, you can't get the information off the hard drive. Seagate at least doesn't have that encryption. It just writes the information to there. And then you can take this out, put it in a regular case, external hard drive case, and all your information will be there. As long as the hard drive didn't fail. So anyways, 8 terabytes. Desktop, HDD, rescue, I'm not interested in that. Particulars down there, where's this made? Probably in China. I don't have my reading glasses on, so bear with me. Expansion. Windows or Mac. Add storage to your PC or Mac. Tells you all the different information. Let me get a knife, get this thing opened up. It's got a layer of shrink wrap over it. You can see it crinkling there, so let me open up and we'll be right back. Right here on the box, this is something interesting. If you're North America, South America, get a 1-year warranty. If you're in the gray areas, Africa, Europe, you get a 2-year warranty. In the dark gray areas, Indonesian, Australia, things like that, you get a 3-year warranty. Why can't everybody have a 3-year warranty? Okay, so we open up the box. Looks like the hard drive's here. It looks like this hard cardboard, like the trays from McDonald's. Put the drinks in. This must be where the power supply and cable are. You pause the camera. Okay, so we got an instruction manual. Looks like it's a quick start guide in a bunch of different languages. Power adapter plug. On and off switch anywhere on this thing. Okay, it's got some rubber feet, ventilation. You can almost see right through there. I don't see an on and off switch. So apparently when you plug it in, it must automatically come on. Wish it had an on and off switch, but I do disconnect everything from any power source or away from the computer when I'm not using it. So I never leave a hard drive turned on. I leave it running 24/7. Only turn it on when I'm going to transfer stuff to it or take stuff off of it. After that, it gets shut off and it gets put in a safe spot. So here in the box, we got the USB 3.0 cable. Not a fan of those 3.0s. I've had one fail. It's like a power supply. A couple of different adapters. Looks like those are all European adapters. Okay, there better be an American adapter in there. That would totally suck if there isn't. Let me get out of the box. Okay, so that little cover goes on there. Did find an American one. Guess I need 2 hands. Need 2 hands to put this on. So I got that onto there. You know, I guess they give you an adapter for almost any country you're going to travel to. You know, I guess that's good if you're traveling a lot. Wish it would say what it was. I hope that's an American plug I need. Looks like it. Anyways, from a manufacturing standpoint, giving all these different adapters must raise the cost of this. So they have to include them, but if they only included the one specific to your area, probably would keep the cost down a little bit, but such is a world that we live in. Also, never take the hard drive out of the case, because the case has a serial number that's associated with the serial number on the internal hard drive. I had one fail last year. You can see my video on it. I needed the board. Seagate would not sell me the board. I had to prove that the serial number there, serial number on the case was good. I had to send them pictures. I didn't bucker the case up. All you do is pull a thin little knife, pop this edge off. Comes right apart. Just press fit on there. A bunch of little fingers. If you ever tore apart a PlayStation, you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, just a word to the wise. You know, don't be hacking it apart, putting the hard drive in another case. Something happens to it. You got to have this case, so don't throw it away if you do something like that. I don't know. I guess some people are into that. Okay, I plugged it in. It came up. You can see expansion E. I don't know if this will let me relabel it. Rename. Let me pause the camera while I rename it. Okay, so what I want to do, get back to the hard drive. I want to back up all my images off my D7000 and my D810 to here. How fast are we going? It looks like 31.6 megabytes a second, not very fast. Transfer speed, and that's USB 3.0. And I've seen some video reviews on this hard drive said they were getting between 99 and 150. How are they doing that? I'd like to know. You can see it, speed 31.3, 30.9, 31.2. Guess it's going to be a while. Adding some more of my finished photos, my photos that I have in a sell work folder that I sell. And it looks like it's going to take, that one 28 minutes. The other one that we started previously was 1 hour 59 minutes a couple of minutes ago. Now it's 1 hour 40 minutes. So I'm not sure if that speed and the estimated time is exactly true. Sadly, the transfer speeds on this 8 terabyte hard drive are not impressively fast. A couple of videos I watched, and I don't know what they're doing unless they're using USB 3.0. My computer is a couple years old. I think it's USB 2.0. Look at that, 27 to 28 to 29 megabytes a second. So, oh, it's taken forever and ever upon a dog's age. I think it's only been processing here for, I hate to say it, a couple hours. Tried to go into Device Manager, check out my COM ports, my USB ports, make sure they're all updated. And apparently everything is updated properly. So I guess in my case, this is the fastest transfer speed I'm going to get. The 4 terabyte Seagate hard drive I have is a hell of a lot faster.